Good morning. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Kusmawati. I would like to talk about survival. Before starting the presentation, I will share my experience. I am a person who likes activities in nature, and I also belong to the community of nature activists on my campus. When I was in the middle of the forest for days with my friend, I felt how I had to be able to survive for a few days in the forest and to use what was in the forest so that my friend and I could survive. And I was thinking about what if someone got lost in the forest and he did not have enough knowledge and experience to survive. Therefore, why those two signs of survival needs to be known by many people. The emergency of survival need due to human effort to get out of the difficult encounter. These difficult include the state of nature, weather and terrain, the state of living things around us, animal and plants, the state of oneself, mental, physical and health. The number of difficulties usually arise due to our mistakes once. In this condition, there are several factors that determine a survivor is able to survive or not. Among other, mental, approximately 80% of our readiness in survival lies in our mental readiness. What I intend to do is to break down this presentation into three parts. First, understanding of survival tips and technique survival. Second, survival score, and third, plant and animal that can be eaten. The definition of survival. Indonesian Survival Foundation explain that survival comes from the word survive, which means successful or able to defend themselves from a certain situation, in this case maintaining life from a bad and critical condition. Tip survival: stop. S. Sitting. T. Thinking. O. Observe. P. Planning. If we got lost in a forest, all we have to do is stop and think. Don't panic. We must have a strong mentality and enthusiasm to survive in the nature. The survivor must to do: 1. Coordinate member if group. 2. Do first aid. 3. Look at the capabilities of member. 4. Hold field orientation. 5. Hold food rationing. 6. Make a plan and division of tasks. 7. Trying to communicate with the outside world. 8. Make sign. Next, basic technique survival. 1. Shelter and bivouac. The purpose of making a shelter in an emergency is to protect yourself from natural and environmental factors. What need to be considered in making bivouac? 1. Bivouac not too leak. 2. Don't overly damage surrounding nature. 3. Choose a good location, for the place is flat. 5. Not flooded when it rains. 6. Protected from wind. 8. Pretty close to a spring. 9. Not a beach lamp. 10. Not in a withered tree. And next, water. An important factor in survival is water. With water we can survive 3 weeks. Water contained in tropical forest in a bed when and does not need to be purified. Rainwater, water from creeping plants, water dripping on the stone, water that is accommodated on with life, at least river water. According to the Education Command Lanut Adu Sucipto, in a state of survival, how to clean water is follows: one by cooking until it boils. Two, by using a water purifier from a survival kit. Three, rainwater collected directly is safe for drinking. If there is no water source, here are some areas to get it. 1. Water from the ground. Digging water from the soil depends on the type of soil, whether it is coral or clay rock, rocky or sand soil. 2. Rocks in rocky ground. Look at rocky holes and layer. 3. Loose soil. Water will be more and more easily obtained in loose soil than fabricated. And next, food. Condition to consider. 1. Check the amount of food. 2. Food is divided into 2 portions. 2/3 for the first half time isolate and 1/3 for the next half time. 3. Avoid dry food if you only have a small supply of water. 4. Don't waste energy. 5. If possible, eat regularly. 6. Looking for food from nature. It's all for that we need to learn botany and practical zoology to get to know more about the types of animal and plant that can be used as emergency food or medicines. Part of plant that can be eaten and provide enough energy are the tubers. After that, only the fruit, seed and leaf. Steps that need to be taken if you are going to eat plants. 1. Plants that are already known. 2. Don't just eat one type of plant. 3. Try not to eat plant or tacky or conspicuous in color, fear of containing alkaloid. At least 5. Fire is needed as a body warmer and can also increase physiology factor in terms of mental and emotional, as well as protect against wild animals around. Make a fireplace using dry branches. Conclusion. To be able to survive in the forest, we must have enough stock, practice and experience, and master the technique of survival technique. Before we make a climb or do activities in the wild, we must first know what the risks are and what must be left, so that if things happen that are not desirable, we can deal with them calmly and not panic. Summary. A surveyor must have a strong mental shock, high confidence and practice and experience. And when we are in the forest, make a place for protection like a shelter, but as much as possible do not damage the surrounding environment. Then look for water and food source from plants and animals that can be eaten in the forest in order to survive. But thank you for your attention and your time. I hope the knowledge that I provide can be useful later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.